Hello friends, hope you all will be doing well. My name is Muhammad Mehboob and I am pursuing law from Jamia Millia Islamia and also great TS Law Set 2023 with rank 1. Welcoming you all in my new video that is related to GK. That is very important from the point of view of TS Law Set and AP Law Set. In this video we will discuss most important MCQs from medieval history, from the dynasties of Lodi dynasty and Mughal dynasty, and some Muslim invasions in India. In previous video, we have discussed medieval histories, some dynasties, just like slave dynasty, Khilji dynasty, Tughlaq dynasty. So you can check most important MCQs from these three dynasties in my previous video. In this video, we will discuss from Lodi dynasty, Mughal dynasty, and some Muslim invasions in India. So without wasting our time, let's discuss the questions. So first of all, we will discuss from Lodi dynasty. So the first questions from Lodi dynasty is: in which battle did Maharana Sanga defeat Ibrahim Lodi? Its right answer is A. Battle of Khatoli. Question number 2. Who among the following Sultanate rulers was of Afghan origin? Its right answer is D. Lodi. Question number 3. Which one of the following is the correct chronological order of the Afghan rulers to the throne of Delhi? Its right answer is C. Behlol Khan Lodi or Lodi Sikandar Shah, Ibrahim Lodi or Lodi. Question number 4. Which of the following sultans found a town where now stands Agra? Its right answer is D. Sikandar Lodi. Question number 5. Which medieval sultan has the credit of founding the city of Agra and making it the capital of the Sultanate? Its right answer is D. Sikandar Lodi. Question number 6. Who among the following composed poems with the pen name Gulrukhi? Its right answer is C. Sikandar Lodi. Question number 7. Agra city was founded by. Its right answer is C. Sikandar Lodi. Question number 8. Which of the following sultans is known for having abolished the tax on grains? Its right answer is D. Sikandar Lodi. Question number 9. Who among these was not from the slave dynasty? Its right answer is D. Ibrahim Lodi. Question number 10. In which order did the following dynasties rule Delhi? Select the correct answer from the code given below. So the Khilji dynasty ruled Delhi from 1290 to 1320. Lodi dynasty rules Delhi from 1451 to 1526. It all is in AD. And Sayyid dynasty ruled Delhi from 1414 to 1451. And Slave dynasty ruled Delhi from 1206 to 1290. So the correct answer will be 4. So the correct answer of the question number 10 is D. Most important MCQs from Muslim invasions in India. So the first question is: the word Hindu as reference to the people of India or Hind was first used by. Its right answer is D. Arabs. Question number 2. First Muslim attack on India occurred in the year. Its right answer is C. It is the 711. It is 712. Question number 3. Hazrat Muhammad, the Prophet, was born in the year. Its right answer is A. 570 AD. Question number 4. When Muhammad bin Qasim conquered Sindh? Its right answer is C. 712 AD. Question number 5. First Muslim invader in India was. Its right answer is C. Muhammad bin Qasim. Question number 6. The first Muslim invaders of India were. Its right answer is C. Arabs. Question number 7. Muhammad bin Qasim was a. Its right answer is C. Arabs. Question number 8. Who among the following was the founder of Ghaznavid dynasty? Its right answer is C. Sebuk Tigir. Question number 9. Which of the following Chandela king was not defeated by Mahmud Ghaznavi? Its right answer is B. Vidyadhar. Question number 10. Who was the court historian of Mahmud of Ghazni? Its right answer is B. Utbi. Question number 11. Firdausi, the author of Shahnama, was associated with the court of. Its right answer is B. Mahmud Ghaznavi. Question number 12. Who was the author of Shahnama? Its right answer is B. Firdausi. Question number 13. The famous historian who visited India with Mahmud of Ghazni was. Its right answer is B. Al-Biruni. Question number 14. Al-Biruni came to India in. Its right answer is C. 11th century AD. Question number 15. Which one of the following statements about Al-Biruni is not correct? Its right answer is A. He was a secular author. It's not correct. Question number 16. The first Muslim who studied Purana was. Its right answer is C. Al-Biruni. Question number 17. Who among the following issued silver coins with Sanskrit legend on one side? Its right answer is B. Mahmud of Ghazni. Question number 18. Which one of the following rulers from Central Asia conquered North India in 1192? Its right answer is C. Shahabuddin Muhammad Gauri. Question number 19. Who defeated Muhammad Gauri for the first time? Its right answer is A. Bhima II. Question number 20. In which battle Muhammad Gauri defeated Jaichand? Uh, its right answer is C. Battle of Chandawar. Question number 21. Which one of the following kings was defeated by Muhammad Gauri in the Battle of Chandawar? Its right answer is B. Jaichand. Question number 22. Battle that laid the foundation of Muslim domination in India was. Its right answer is B. Second Battle of Tarail. Question number 23. Coins of which Muslim ruler bear an image of goddess Lakshmi? Its right answer is A. Muhammad Gauri. Question number 24. Muhammad Gauri granted first Ekta in India to. Its right answer is B. Qutbuddin Aibak. Question number 25. Which slave of Muhammad Gauri conquered Bengal and Bihar? Its right answer is C. Bakhtiyar Khilji. Question number 26. Muhammad Ghazni invaded India 17 times. Reason is he wanted to establish permanent Muslim empire in India. Select the correct answer from the given code. Its right answer is C. A is true and R is false. Question number 27. I am giving assignment of question number 27 to you. That you would find the answer of question number 27 and comment in this video. So next is Mughal empires. So we will discuss most important MCQs from Mughal empire in this section. So the first question is the purpose of Mahmud Ghaznavi's attack on India was. Its right answer is B. To plunder the wealth of India. Question number 2. The independent kingdom of Awadh was founded by. Its right answer is D. Sadat Khan. Question number 3. The first ruler to introduce canal irrigation in India was. Its right answer is Firoz Tughlaq. Question number 4. In which year was the Battle of Plassey fought? Its right answer is C. 1757 AD. Question number 5. In which year did Mahmud of Ghaznavi perform the infamous plunder of the Somnath temple? Its right answer is B. 1026 AD. Question number 6. Shah Jahan directed the construction of which from 1632 to 1648? Its right answer is B. Taj Mahal. Question number 7. Dash was the first Mughal emperor to acquire Kohinoor diamond. Its right answer is B. Humayun was the first Mughal emperor to acquire Kohinoor diamond. Question number 8. Which Indian ruler had requested Napoleon for help in driving the British away from India? Its right answer is A. Tipu Sultan. Question number 9. What was the religion of Malik Kafur before he entered the service of Alauddin? Its right answer is C. Hinduism. Question number 10. The voluminous composition attributed to Guru Gobind Singh, the last Sikh Guru, are collectively known as. Its right answer is C. By Chitra Natak. Chitra Natak. Question number 11. The Mughal ruler Bahadur Shah II had been exiled by the British and sent to. Its right answer is C. Rangoon. Question number 12. Market control had been first introduced in medieval India by. Its right answer is D. Alauddin Khilji. Question number 13. Question number 13. Under the Mughals, the governor was popularly known as. Its right answer is A. Subedar. Question number 14. Who was the founder of the Mughal Empire? Its right answer is B. Babur. Question number 15. The most decisive battle between the forces of Dara and Aurangzeb in the War of Succession was fought at. Its right answer is C. Sabugar. Question number 16. The original name of Sher Shah was. Its right answer is C. Farid. Question number 17. An ambassador of the British King James I, who secured favorable privileges for the East India Company from Emperor Jahangir, was. Its right answer is C. Thomas Roe. Question number 18. Who among the following is remembered to this day by Rajputas as the model of chivalry and courage and is the hero of many folk ballads? Its right answer is A. Prithviraj. Question number 19. The Mongols under Genghis Khan invaded India during the reign of. Its right answer is D. Iltutmish. Question number 20. Babur was originally the ruler of. Its right answer is A. Kabul. Question number 21. The first Muslim ruler to conquer southern India was. Its right answer is C. Alauddin Khilji. Question number 22. Who completed the Qutub Minar? Its right answer is C. Iltutmish. Question number 23. The medieval Indian Muslim poet, historian, and musician who called himself a parrot of India was. Its right answer is A. Amir Khusro. Question number 24. Which monarch called himself the second Alexander? Its right answer is D. Alauddin Khilji. Question number 25. In which year was the Battle of Plassey fought? Its right answer is 1757. Question number 26. Who constructed the Purana Killa of New Delhi? Its right answer is Sher Shah Suri. Question number 27. The original name of Mumtaz Mahal was. Its right answer is Arjumand Bano. Question number 28. Amir Khusro's name is associated with the invention of the. Its right answer is C. Sitar. Question number 29. Two marble masterpieces of the reign of Shah Jahan were. Its right answer is D. Pearl Mosque, Moti Masjid, and Taj Mahal at Agra. Question number 30. With reference to Mahat Tansen, which one of the following statement is not correct? Its right answer is A. Tansen was the title given to him by Emperor Akbar. It is not correct. Related to Tanser. Question number 31. It is 31. Who among the following Mughal emperors shifted emphasis from illustrated manuscripts to album and individual portrait? Its right answer is C. Jahangir. Question number 32. Mughal painting reached its zenith under. Its right answer is A. Jahangir. Question number 33. Who among the following kings had been given patronage to stand set before Akbar? Its right answer is A. Raja Ramchandra Singh of Bhatt. Question number 34. Sher Shah was buried at. Its right answer is B. B. Sasaram. Question number 35. Babar assumed the title of Badshah first at. Its right answer is B. Kabul. Question number 36. The famous diamond Kohinoor was presented to Shah Jahan by. Its right answer is C. Bir Jumla. 37. Question number 37. Who of the following became a member of Dine Ilahi? Its right answer is C. Raja Birbal. Question number 38. Mughal Emperor Jahangir gave the title English Khan to. Its right answer is C. William Hawkins. Question number 39. Who of the following rulers constructed a road from East Bengal to Peshawar called Sadak-e-Azam? Its right answer is D. Sher Shah. Question number 40. Which one of the following rulers at first assumed the title Hazrat-e Ala and afterwards Sultan? Its right answer is C. Sher Shah Suri. Question number 41. In the Mughal administration, Madad Bas indicates. Its right answer is B. Revenue free land given to learned persons. Question number 42. Who did illustrate Dastane Amir Hamza? Its right answer is A. Abdus Samad. Question number 43. In the Mughal administration, Muhatasib was. Its right answer is C. An officer in charge of public morals. Question number 44. When did Humayun first attack Chunar Fort? Its right answer is B. 1532 AD. Question number 45. Akbar merged Bengal and Bihar in his empire in. Its right answer is C. 1576 AD. Question number 46. Itimaduddaulah tomb at Agra was built by. Its right answer is C. Nur Jahan. Question number 47. The first English person was who visited the court of Akbar was. Its right answer is A. Ralph Fitch. Question number 48. Who was called Jidda Pir in Mughal India? Its right answer is B. Aurangzeb. Question number 49. Which building built by Akbar was designed on the principle of Buddhist Vihara? Its right answer is A. Panch Mahal. Question number 50. Among the following, which Mughal emperor introduced the policy of Salah Kul? Its right answer is A. Akbar. Question number 51. Who among the following deserves the credit for construction of Lal Killa? Its right answer is D. Shah Jahan. Question number 52. Jizya was reimposed during the reign of. Its right answer is B. Aurangzeb. Question number 53. Where is the mausoleum of Sher Shah? Its right answer is A. Sasaram. Question number 54. The first matrimonial alliance with the Rajputas was established by Akbar with the house of. Its right answer is B. Kachwa. Question number 55. Two of the following states which Aurangzeb has had conquered in Dakkan were. Its right answer is C. Bijapur and Golconda. Question number 56. The Upanishads were translated into Persian by Dara Shikoh, who were the title. Its right answer is D. Sir Akbari. Question number 57. The Mughal emperor who of the Hindu officers was appointed maximum number. Its right answer is D. Aurangzeb. Question number 58. Who built the tomb of her emperor husband? Its right answer is D. Nur Jahan Begum. Question number 59. The ruler of Bewar, who was defeated in the Battle of Khanwa by the Babur in 1527 was. Its right answer is D. Rana Saga. Question number 60. Batch list one emperors with list two tombs and select the correct answer from the considered quotes given below. Its right answer is question number 60. 60's right answer is C. Babur, Kabul, Akbar, Sikandar, Jahangir, Lahore, Shahjahan, Agra. So the right answer is C. Question number 61. Who among the following was the daughter of Emperor Aurangzeb? Its right answer is D. Jaimun Nisa. Question number 62. The Mughal emperor who prohibited the use of tobacco was. Its right answer is D. Aurangzeb. Question number 63. Who wrote Akbar Dava? Its right answer is D. Abul Fazal. Question number 64. Which historical monument in Delhi is a synthesis of Persian and Indian style of architectures? Its right answer is C. Humayun's tomb. Question number 65. Aurangzeb defeated Jaswant Singh, the ruler of Jodhpur, in the War of Dharmat of 1658. In which state Dharmat is situated? Its right answer is B. Madhya Pradesh. Question number 66. Who was conferred the title of Gulraz Khan? Its right answer is B. Maldhar Basu. Question number 67. Who was the sixth Guru to be slaughtered by Aurangzeb? Its right answer is B. Tegh Bahadur. Question number 68. Who was the Mughal emperor to have lifted the jizya on Hindu? Its right answer is B. Akbar. Question number 69. Kabuliyat and Patta was introduced by. Its right answer is A. Sher Shah. Question number 70. Who wrote Vayunama? Its right answer is D. Gulbadan Begum. Question number 71. In 1540 AD, Sher Shah had defeated at Kannauj. Its right answer is C. Humayun. Question number 72. Who among the following parts was called Babul Makkah, Gate of Makkah, during the Mughal period? Its right answer is D. Surat. So that's it. In the next video, uh, we will discuss more MCQs that will be most important from the point of view of TS Lawson. In previous videos, we have discussed current affairs from the month of July to December and legal aptitude and GK. Apart from this video, so if you are visiting first time in this video, you can prefer all those video for your professor. That will be very helpful from the point of TS Lawson, and it will be very helpful in your exams. So for this, it is enough. And if you are new on this channel, subscribe and visit previous videos. It will be helpful in your exams. And subscribe and it will be beneficial because till your TS Lawson exam, I will upload videos that will be very important from the point of view of TS Lawson and AP Lawson. So thank you very much.